fight sticks have tournament-grade buttons, customizable layouts, and high-speed responsiveness. In this video, we're breaking down the best fight sticks of 2025, helping you find the perfect one for PlayStation and PC gaming. HORI PlayStation 5 Fighting Stick Alpha, Tournament-Grade Performance. The HORI Fighting Stick Alpha is an officially licensed fight stick for PS5, PS4, and PC, designed for serious competitors. With tournament-grade Hayabusa buttons and joystick, a fully customizable panel, and easy access to internal components, this fight stick delivers responsive and durable performance. If you want a trusted, high-quality fight stick for PlayStation and PC, this is a top choice. Check the description for the latest deals. Qanba N3 Drone 2, budget-friendly and compact. The Qanba N3 Drone 2 is an affordable wired fight stick that works on PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, and PC. It features a compact and lightweight design, making it great for casual and entry-level players. Despite its budget-friendly price, the high-quality joystick and buttons provide a solid arcade experience. If you're looking for a low-cost but reliable fight stick, this is worth considering. Find the best pricing in the description. Victrix Pro FS, Premium Build and Esports. Ready for serious tournament players, the Victrix Pro FS is one of the best fight sticks available. Made from durable aluminum, it features Sanwa-denshi buttons, an ergonomic wrist slope, and a detachable joystick. The USB-C connection ensures ultra-fast response times, making it a go-to choice for competitive players looking for a premium experience. Check out the link in the description. Turtle Beach Victrix Pro KO, leverless fight stick for maximum speed. The Turtle Beach Victrix Pro KO is a leverless fight stick, meaning it replaces the joystick with all buttons for faster inputs. Officially licensed for PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4, it's designed for tournament-level precision and responsiveness. If you want a next-gen fight stick for ultra-fast execution, this is the perfect choice. Find the latest pricing in the description. Razer Kitsune, slim, stylish, and high performance. The Razer Kitsune is an all-button arcade controller designed for PlayStation 5 and PC, featuring low-profile optical switches for ultra-fast inputs. Its slim form factor, removable top plate, and chroma RGB lighting make it a visually stunning and highly responsive fight stick. If you want cutting-edge design and competitive performance, this is a must-have. Check the description for exclusive offers. Which fight stick do you think is the best? Let us know in the comments. Watch the full video now and check the description for links to all the featured fight sticks.